Welcome back. In this lecture, we explore the range type, a special immutable sequence primarily used to generate sequences of numbers for iteration, particularly in for loops. It is highly efficient because it doesn't store all numbers in memory. 1. Range syntax. The range function takes up to 3 arguments: stop, start, and step. The most common form is providing just the stop value. If you only provide the stop argument, the sequence starts from 0 and goes up to but not including the stop number. Providing both start and stop defines the starting point, but still excludes the stop value. The optional step argument controls the increment or decrement between numbers in the sequence. 2. Using range for indexing. The range type is extremely useful when you need to access elements of a list or other sequence by index. To summarize, the range type is an immutable sequence that generates numbers on demand, making it memory efficient. It is indispensable for defining loop boundaries and generating indices. In our next lecture, 04.17, Bytes and Byte Array, we will examine binary sequence types used for handling raw binary data, like images or network packets. See you there!